What if we lived in a world that relied more on the use of renewable resources like timber to construct our homes, schools and workplaces? What if we were less reliant on the use of non-renewable resources when we build? Well, in this video, we'll take a look at these questions and also look at innovations with manufactured wood products to see how they can replace traditional non-renewable construction materials. So what are manufactured wood products and how are they different from other wood products?
Manufactured wood products are composite woods made by binding wood fibres or particles or veneers together with special adhesives or glues. They are also commonly known as engineered wood products due to the precise design specifications and testing required to meet national and also international standards. They're manufactured using low-quality logs and wood scraps from timber mills, as well as recycled wood from demolition and construction sites. The industry is always looking for innovative technologies to make new products that are stronger and more weather-resistant while reducing waste.
Manufactured wood products are just one of the new methods being used. There are many types of manufactured wood products. We've all seen or heard of plywood. It's mostly used for structural wood panelling and has an aesthetic appeal in that you can see the natural grains in the wood.
Plywood is made from thin sheets of veneer wood and it's cross-laminated, cross-oriented to maximise strength and bonded together under high pressure and heat, which is using special weather-resistant glues.
Plywood has many benefits, including increased stability. It's high impact resistant, so it's useful where seismic activity or cyclonic winds occur. High strength to weight ratio, and it has chemical resistance. It doesn't corrode. It can be used in chemical works or cooling towers as a cost-effective, durable material when preservative treated. Another product is laminated veneer lumber.
LVL stands for laminated veneer lumber and is commonly used as an alternative in structural applications to solid timber, replacing such things as rafters, beams and joists. It is made by bonding thin sheets of veneer wood together into large sheets, whereby the grain in the wood runs parallel along its length. LVL can have superior mechanical properties and stability to many solid wood alternatives, as it does not warp.
Medium density fibreboard, or MDF, is a reconstituted wood panel product. It's a dry processed fibreboard manufactured from wood fibres as opposed to veneers or particles, and is denser than plywood or particle board. MDF has an even density throughout and is smooth on both sides. MDF is reconstituted into wood sheets in a variety of widths and lengths. A special resin is used and a paraffin wax added to assist with water repellency. During manufacturing, other chemicals can be added for more specific protection. MDF is commonly used for internal and external doors and internal panelling. Oriented strand board, or OSB, is commonly used as bracing panels in building structures, like in house frames. It's made from crossing layers of wood fibres and gluing them together into large sheets using heat-treated adhesives. The strands are carefully oriented to provide panel dimensional stability. The large continuous mat is heated and pressure cured. OSB is similar to plywood, yet generally more cost-effective to produce. It is stronger than particle board. Cross-laminated timber, or CLT, is a more recent panelling innovation made by gluing alternating solid wood boards perpendicular to each other in order to maximise strength. Panels are lighter than solid wood and hollow core concrete planks, making construction easier and quicker and cost-effective. Panels are usually used in framing, walls and flooring. Let's look at another manufactured wood product, TCC.
Timber concrete composite is manufactured from both concrete timber and steel. It's durable, stable, lightweight. It enables longer spans to be covered and is generally used in commercial buildings. Timber concrete composite is made by embedding metal connectors into wooden joists, placing reinforcement mesh over the top, and then filling with a thin layer of concrete.
Why are these types of wood products needed? Well, our wood scientists are designing and developing these new products to help us address environmental and social impacts of the building and construction sector.
Wood products play an important role in addressing climate change. Carbon constitutes approximately 50% of the dry weight of trees, and when wood from these trees is used in construction, the carbon is stored for the life of the product. This may vary from up to 80 years in homes, around 30 years in furniture, and 6 years in pallets and paper. Carbon stored in wood is only released back to the atmosphere when the wood is burnt or undergoes degradation. Compare this to construction steel, which contains less than 1.5% of carbon and is a large net emitter of carbon in the mining, processing, manufacturing and construction process. Wood manufactured products have the added benefit of using waste products or recycled timber, increasing product recovery, reducing waste, making a cost-effective, durable and aesthetically pleasing alternative.
This is Melbourne's Forte building. Let's take a look at how manufactured wood products were used here at one of the world's tallest and greenest timber residential buildings. Using the revolutionary building product called cross-laminated timber, Forte will reduce CO2 equivalent emissions by more than 1,400 tonnes compared to if concrete and steel had been used. That's the equivalent of removing more than 340 cars from our roads. Due to the low energy used to make the building materials, the carbon stored by the wood and the smaller energy bills that the residents will enjoy, this building is estimated to be carbon neutral for over a decade.
I feel very strongly that the 21st century will be defined by engineered timber, including cross-laminated timber, of course. I guess I feel that we're in a transition period of moving away from steel and concrete and embracing new materials like cross-laminated timber.
The manufactured wood products industry continues to innovate and create products that can not only provide the strength, durability and weather resistance properties that are critical in ensuring the longevity of our homes, offices and schools, but it can also play a vital role in reducing carbon emissions and waste. For a class challenge, why don't you have a look around your school and identify, say, a new sitting area that could be developed for students using manufactured wood products. In groups, draw up a creative design that both looks good and is functional, given the limitations such as slope, drainage and location of trees for shade. You might like to include things such as plastic wood composite paving and bench seats, for example. Let your imagination run wild and see what you and your friends can come up with.